This is the third installment in a series of video tutorials, the purpose of which is to demonstrate how to search databases using HDAS. The topics covered in this tutorial are as follows: applying limits, viewing saved search strategies, creating alerts, You can apply limits to your search if you have specific requirements or have a large number of results that you want to refine. Clicking on the different limit headings adds those limit options to the page. Here we have date of publication, gender, and age group. To apply a limit, simply type the number of the search line that you want to apply limits to in the search box, and then click on Limits and select your chosen limits from the relevant headings. Once you have done this, click the Adding button. You should then see a new search line with the limits you selected in brackets. Limits are different on each database, so you can only apply limits to a search on a single database, and you can't rerun a search with limits on another database. To view search strategies that you have saved previously, click on the text near the top of the page which reads My Search Strategies. A list of your saved search strategies should appear. The number in the Searches column refers to the number of search lines within the strategy. If you saved any results within this search, the number will appear here, and clicking the number will take you to those saved results. If you click on the name of the saved search strategy, you will be able to edit and add to that saved search strategy. Notice how the name of the search strategy is retained. Alternatively, if you click on Clone, a copy of the original search strategy will be created, and you will be able to give this a new name. Use the clone option if you want to preserve your original search strategy. Creating an alert can be useful if there is a topic that you want to receive regular updates for. You can create an alert from any search line in a search strategy, provided that the search line is for a single database. This could be a search you are currently working on, or a saved search strategy that you have reopened. To create an alert, click the bell icon to the right of the search line. An alert will automatically rerun the search line so that you receive an updated list of results on a regular basis that match your search criteria. You can choose the frequency, format, and level of detail you want to include. You can also choose to include the history. On the occasions that an alert is generated, you will receive an email containing an attachment. You need to give the alert a name and enter an email address, unless you want the alert to go to the email that is linked to your Athens account. You can view the details of your alerts by clicking on the Alerts tab. If you have created any alerts, these will be listed. If you want to delete an alert, click the dustbin icon. If you want to change the frequency, format, or type, click on the number in the row column. You will be taken to the search strategy. At the top of the page, click on the bell icon. You will then be able to edit the frequency, format, and type, and change the email address that the alert goes to. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any queries, please contact us. You will find us in the Health Information Centre between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. on weekdays.